Welcome back to another video on How to University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the How to University channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom piece of artwork or picture to Canva. So what you're going to do is we're going to go ahead and head over to Canva. And let's say that we want to go ahead and update a picture or put something in that we found on the internet and we want to edit it. So all you have to do is you're going to go ahead and go to the type of content that you're trying to create. So let's say it's a social media post. Let's go ahead and do a Facebook post. So this is going to already automatically size that image for that specific platform, so it already knocks out one thing for you. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to this arrow pointing up in the cloud, and right here where it says upload files, you want to go ahead and click that button. You're going to go ahead and search the image or items or the folder that you're trying to use. You're going to go ahead and go and click the item, and that's going to go ahead and put this little blue bar. And once that blue bar is completed, you'll be able to drag that item over. And let's say you wanted to create something with that item. All you do now is hit edit, background remover. I know it's already white, but we want to make sure that it's clear. And let's say that the image, so right now it's looking like Canva's having a little bit of trouble, so it's saying we're having trouble loading background remover, check your connection or try again later. So once, let's say that that image background was removed and you wanted to design something with that item, all you have to do is head over to elements, and let's say we type in the word smoke. So for an example, this is a diffuser and we want to go ahead and add that smoke effect. It's as simple as that. So if you found this video helpful on how to upload your personal item or a image to the Canva tool, leave a like and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.